So instead of the usual small yearly tweaks, Samsung has changed quite a bit this time with the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And these are the 12 upgrades that are actually worth talking about. Let's start with some new smart features on the Buds 4 Pro. The new Buds can trigger AI agents like Gemini and Bixby completely hands-free, which means you don't even need to unlock your phone. You just speak and interact straight through the earbuds. You can also use the new Buds as a camera shutter button to take photos or videos from your phone, similar to the Galaxy Watch and the older S Pens. The Buds 4 Pro also supports head gestures. You can nod yes to answer calls or shake no to decline them. These gestures also work with Bixby and Gemini, so it's not limited to just calls. And if you'd rather just speak, voice controls are still there. Next, you can now bring up interpreter mode using gestures too. Just pinch and hold both stems and it launches instantly. With the Buds 3, you had to manually start it on your phone first, so this is way more convenient. The Buds 4 lineup also comes with Bluetooth 6.1, which should mean better connection stability, especially in crowded places. More importantly, the newer Bluetooth standard also brings latency improvements. That should help reduce lip sync issues while watching videos and minimize delays if you're playing games on your phone. The Buds 4 Pro also gets updated Active Noise Cancellation, so overall noise reduction performance is better this time. Samsung has also upgraded the speakers. The Buds 4 Pro gets a wider woofer that increases the effective vibration area by 20%. There's also an improved tweeter, and together they're meant to deliver deeper bass, clearer highs, and more detailed mids. You also get 24-bit hi-fi audio support and an enhanced adaptive EQ system that adjusts sound in real time depending on how the buds sit in your ears. The idea isn't just louder or bassier audio, but more accurate sound that stays closer to the original recording. Call quality gets an upgrade too. Samsung is using wideband calling and machine learning voice processing to make voices clearer and reduce background noise.
Hello? Can you hear me? Sorry, I'm passing by a construction site right now. Hello? Can you hear me? Sorry, I'm passing by a construction site right now.
The Buds 4 Pro also gets an improved IP rating, moving from IP54 to 57. That means you can now submerge the buds in up to 3 feet of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. The Buds 4 Pro also have a bigger battery in both the stems and the case. But interestingly, the battery life numbers haven't really changed. Still get around 7 hours of playback with ANC off and about 6 hours with ANC on. The charging case enables up to 30 hours of playback without ANC and 26 hours with ANC enabled. And of course, the Buds 4 Pro comes with a new design. Samsung has completely dropped the previous blade style look. Instead, we're getting flat stems with a brushed metal finish. The earbuds now sit horizontally inside a case with a transparent lid, so you can see them without even opening it. One of the biggest complaints about the Buds 3 Pro was orientation. People kept placing them wrong in the case. On the Buds 4 Pro, they're still outward facing, but because the stems are flatter, it should be harder to mess that up. The flat design also improves the ping gesture experience because it's easier to feel and press accurately, unlike the Buds 3 Pro where it was easier to miss. Samsung also says comfort has been improved. Not just fine for a quick meeting comfortable, but something you can actually leave in for hours without constantly adjusting them. So those are the new features of the Buds 4 Pro. For a year-over-year upgrade, this is a notable change. New design, better comfort, improved audio, smarter features, stronger connectivity, and more.